Lengba kani ka kubor mynta ka sngi, nginya pas ka mensim sngolem jong kiwei ka long kemi ya ki para briu, ka balapan lut ya ka spa ka pau jong ka banyo penbit penbiang lem ya ki para briu. Kham tam kito ki bawan na ki long ying ki badun abha ka yok ka kon, bat ki ba hayeng hasem kem kot bor shu ban ri ban samaria ki, wat la ki poi Jakarta ka ba ki ladai ban shong thatno, bat ban shu im ke ching im tang ha ka bari ki kun kseu, bat dan kam shu ban trei ya ki kam ki bakya. Kane kadai ka senjam, kaban ay men sim ya kiwei pat ki riu shimet neki kan hon, bakin yakit ya batlem ya ka lingkor hake im lang salang, kanang baki kimi ki kipatem men jongki kin yo ka jing im ka bapura, kat kum ka hok ka baki day ban yo. Tungin ya kami shipor ya kani ka kubor.
Kiwei kalong kami kabanakan ni kanong ba Shillong, ikong Victoria walang, iba siyang basa halat chumia. Idai kalong kami kabadan ni kajing sung iat kabamayan ni kiriu temen, kibala Kham no agarta, bat nado gisnam ba menshwa idan ni kajing ang nuat ban yo aseng ya kayang ban ri kerpang ya kiriu temen, kibaki kon kikti kem kot borsho ban ri yaki. Lani kitu kiriu temen kibam dan nong pet nong sumarsho, ha kibaki kon kikti kila kentat no yaki. Kani kajing ang nuat jong kani kalong kami kala urlong dang kendiat benai mentah. Haba ikong Victoria walang ilayolat ban tiet ekajaka ha kasnong nong sder ha umroy ha ke distrik Riboy. Bat peniyang ya ke yeng paki hangne ban penurlong ya ke jing ang jong i. Lengba ka kenhon jong i ka ba ilai kerteng kripa Victoria. Rengkat ukun jong i usamla syarat walang bat kiwei digit khot jong ne ka kenhon. Haki arsenam belalet kila trei borba ban penurlong ya ke ne yeng ban ri kiriu temen kibadai tangki kentai. Kabala ai kerteng Kripa Victoria Senior Citizen Home. Ha kani ka yang paki kabaha khamat kabamenta dang dei tang armala. Ha kamala kabasyapo lapan long kum ka kamera ai bam rengkat ka kamera songkai. Na kabenta ki bahayang bahasem ki bawan ya kendo ya ki kime temen jongki.
Nadu mensuaran ba ngalit sa po Singapore di perlok janga ya lam yang ya hakawai ka uli chum mapinya di one of the organizers I don't remember the name utaw director pin iyang akan barok saudong kadon 10 acres di ngalong so impress namar kadukom ba kiwei pendiang ki kamera ki private rooms nang tade kini ki coffee shop di ki khot iki mo kini kita men kumtu dalak janit ki sene songkai kumtu ke di coffee nang tade uyalam beauty parlor ki dadan la ka jong beauty parlor ro. But every week on a Saturday, ki penkap senu, ki penek facial dan orang ki batemen deh. Nang pada kadang kau kaya jaka kaba utility room, bagi kot ka laundry room. Kaba he bah. Te katu kan kapelong yang apa? Kum kani ngaku aban setup apa selo ladang pisah. Tangba latip hi kajaka ni don kam ka bahe nang ta ban yo sponsor ban build up kat katu kajaka ti not possible tinang tu de ngawan sapo Calcutta hapo uli chum jo ka Mother Teresa hang tu ti bon bahaki temen mo ngapet iki kawan ka jumbot nga bale ki wan bo iki hang kimdan khon dan ki tangba I salute the sisters namar katto phau ngot almost touching 100 or more than that. Kila dedicate themselves te ben take care kini mo ki basa lalong bala su sa ino ben. Dalawan pa sa sulong ang yukun ang ni ngam ke bele ingat tang palat ke. Tang bangam ko ha ba nin sumari ki kumakatu ka standard ke. I want them to give the best ke. Ha kan kamlong hai ke nama kanus nam ki bupli ken em. Ha Kide balik na kani kapatay da ka jingpo sam rakhi mo ti ngong ikon ngong ngimla ken ban bo adu kumta kan dikispa ti ngimdan kisai ban and it's very challenging ngong is rang di ibarat ha ngong ikon ngim di ban chach tang ba in what bnya can show begin caught bikini begin mansa bani will give them the best.
Hagani ka jo kamala la buru ekajaka ban examine ya ki basitom. Rengkat ka kamera ban pentia kerpang la dadon ki bapang basitom. Hagaba andan kinong sumar ki balak tebet kentop ikinas baro arp sau kenta.
Has made it very wheelchair friendly, number one. Number two is we've kept provisions. There's always going to be a provision for perhaps an elevator, and we've spaced it out. Like at the ground floor, dining room, recreational. So everybody one can become meet lang. And moreover, the nurses station is there, and the 24 hours nursing facility. Moreover, in the ground floor as well, nilaya boka sick room. So anybody who falls ill that needs intensive care, so to speak, will keep them in that particular room for isolation, for any sicknesses purposes. So that is the main ground floor that we've done. So it's going to be any children that want to come and meet their parents, kila aban kendo in that ground floor.
Ha kamala ka basyajrong kadon arbenta. Kawai kidi ka kamratya na kabenta nyongut ki mayit maydot ki bawan ni kilong yeng badok ba. Ki bamla kot borsho ki kun ki kti ban sumariki. Bat na kabenta kini ki nyongut onri on sumariki klem kajing sia wat tang kendiat ru. Namar kani kadi katong jong ikong Victoria Waalang. Hakaba nadu mentai lekan show pisa luparu ban penbiang yaki nadong syadong.
Kani ka bangasif mo kani be fix ito. Like fix ka bangasiran monthly kani be ito. Kamdan compromise nalong kun ko. Namar ba kawai mo kibangi siya mang to ban tray ru kide ban ban tray da kamensim ban ajing it ikini ban sumar hok ikini mo kapisa hoy bro hoy dan kam kapisa mo ngam ong ba dan kapisa kidan kam ni nama ba kidan ka yang kasam gyapet di ko kiti mo tang ban pinu ki bawan tray hang to kide ban da kamensim te ban minting ban ajing it iki hindi ban liat top met te
Ha kini kajo kamala badon ka kamera na kabenta ki nyongut ki bamdon kamban siu. Laboru salai tadi ki kamratya ki bala bansa marway neki semi private room. Hagbala penbit penbiang naduk ki television, kajakalit bar, bat ka kamera sum. Hendrai kini kamera pat gidai na kebenta, kito kiba ki bahayang bahasem, ki kot bor ban siu. Ban bo ilaki kimigi kepa, hang ne naki daw bom lakyar.
On the first floor, what we've done is Nilaya split the building into two sides. One side is the dormitory, seven-bedded dormitory. They have their own personal cupboards, as you've probably seen, and enough washrooms, four toilets and two baths. They have the handrails. Again, the bigger bathrooms are wheelchair accessible. So up to the bathroom, they can easily be there, get a bath and everything. And the private rooms, what we've done is 2 bedrooms. They have one attached toilet. Reason why we've done shared bathroom is because most of the times we do not know. There's certain studies whereby the aged people, they happen to slip in bathrooms. So, just banchudan binta hangtote that if somebody slips, maybe somebody wants to go into the bathroom, no one's answering, they can call on the bell, so we can open up the bathroom, see if everything's okay. So it's just basically not that we don't want to give them privacy, but it's also safety measured. So that is what we've done with the 4 private rooms. Of course, they have a balcony sit out. We've made sure that the fans will always be there, so all domestic lights, be it fans and lights, will always be there in the premises. There won't be any power shortage, or at least we're trying to reduce the power cuts in the facility.
Ha lendat jong na kayeng paki ke baar mala. Kidon pat sa artuli ki yeng ke balamang bantia na kebenta arwut kiru temen kentai. Hendrai ke bala Kham janai keru kompen bit penbiang yagi kamera. Maria rung hapo, nengkong gidi ki kamera songkai, nang ta ki kamera tia rengkat gijing tia ki bakam he, ki kamera banbo iki marbam mardi rengkat bat ke fridge, bat ki kamera sum badon lang bat ki jakalit bar, bat kiwei di gijing dan kam.
The reason why we've gone into a little bit of detailing in the cottages is because sometimes somebody is spending time in their own house. They have all those amenities, right? They already have a fridge. They already have let's say Western toilets. They already have a really good king size bed, for example. They have visitors visiting them. But perhaps out of loneliness, they don't want to stay in their own home anymore. They might want to use our facility as their new home. So we've tried to make it as comfortable as a home. It's not that our building isn't, but our building is of course like shared resources, right? So there we've made it like as if it's your own room, your own house, and you're just making into home. So a lot of detailing has gone into constructing that. And I'm sure the people who come there will feel that sense of homeliness that okay, this is like my home. People can come and visit me at any time. So that is the kind of feel that we've decided to give them.
Hadian beladap penbit penbiang lot ibarok ki jingdan kam hakini ki yeng bandri ki riu temen ki badi ki kentai. Haka khat kendai terik mentau nailar ar hajar arpuar. La plepat ba gini ki yeng da unong seng jongka Kripa Foundation u Father Joseph Pereira. Ubalalong kongsan na kajingelang ringkat ka jingidan lang ke secretary jongka tenat kakot kakya ke jela Meghalaya ikong Rosetta M Kurba kum kesembut kongsan.
I feel ngano komno katanga le project ne, to tell you frankly ne, kani ka project ne give me so much of happiness and satisfaction. Tingong kong this is the last. I want to relax now. Labiang kato. Tangba no, I told him that we'll make sure that whatever we give them, we'll give them the best. Forget about in one kapisa ni we make this project. I never thought that ngan yo pisa ban taking a building. I never thought of it. Kadi kancing punya jong ublay.
The other thing is that, of course, there's a lot of room for development that we have to continue. As I've mentioned to you yesterday, that if somebody passes away, we need to have a chapel, where we can leave the body aside, for prayer purposes, and also, that is something that we need to sort of do as soon as possible as well. Then when it comes to the outside part of the building, what we've done is we've made some lawns, for them to sit out. Yes, of course, we need to develop the place. We thought of having, maybe swings there, little huts whereby they can just get shade huts, but we've also created like a little barbecue area. If children want to visit their parents and want to celebrate a birthday, we can do it outdoors,
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.